Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to split screen in all Android phone. So let's begin our video. So here you can see I want to use Facebook and other apps at the same time. So I simply open it. Like I want to do some settings on my phone. So I open settings. So if I just click on this button at this bottom left corner, and right now here you can see I want to use these two apps at the same time, Facebook and settings. So what I need to do, so if you just press and hold, you can find the option split icon at this middle. So here you can see I just simply click it. Well, right now I just tap and hold over this settings and I can find another split icon. So just press it. So right now you can see on the top I can use Facebook, and on the bottom here you can see I can use settings. I can do the same things at the same time. So if I just turn off BitTorrent off, so here you can see I can use the same things. I can use the same time. I can use the two different apps I can use at the same time. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable split screen on all Android phone. So I hope you can understand. And if you want to exit it, if you just click on this home icon, and you can remove it, and here have a exit option at the top. Select on exit. So right now here you can see it's already exit. So in this way you can use a split option in all Android phone. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.